Hello everyone, you're welcome to Mama Exam Prep Up. I'm Mr. Obuk here, your tutor here in this YouTube channel, and today we are going to look at a problem on trigonometry. So I have the problem on the board. Alright guys, before you watch this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and try to attempt this problem yourself so that you can watch the video and learn a thing or two. Alright guys, so today we have a problem. Okay, first of all, we have to identify what problem it is. And the problem we have here is on complementary what angles. Problem is on complementary what? Complementary angles. Okay, what do I mean by complementary angles? Let me quickly do a brief explanation on complementary angles so that before we look at the problem proper. So what I mean by complementary angles, if I have a right angle triangle like this, or like this, and if I'm giving this part theta 1, I'm giving this part theta 2, okay? Now, these other parts will be complementary to this. How do you do that? That means you say this is 90 minus what? Theta 1. So it means if here is 45, okay, here is going to be 90 minus what? Theta 1, which is also what? 45. Alright, so that's the idea of complementary angle. But if you're given this other side, here becomes what? You are going to say 90 minus theta 2. Okay, so if I'm giving here as, let's say, 35 degree, here is going to be 90 minus what? 35 degree. Okay, that is going to give us what? That is going to give us what? 55 what? Degree here. So this side is complementary to this side. So this side is complementary to this side. Whenever you're giving this, you subtract 90 from it to get here. You subtract it from 90 to get here. Whenever you're giving this, you subtract this from 90 to get here. And with this, we can say, for instance, I can put cos here and sine. I can say cos what? 35 degree is equals to sine what? 55 degree. You can check it with your calculator. This is the idea of their being complementary. Or I can say, if I use a sine here, okay, 45 degree here, I can say, remember I got this as also 45, because 90 minus theta is 45, so it's also cos what? 45 degree. So this is the idea of complementary angles. When you have a right angle triangle, this side is complementary to this. When you're given one side, you subtract 90 from that side to get the other part, and you can use cos and sine on both sides and making them to be what? Equal, so they are complementary. So after giving this, we can say cos theta is equals to what? Sine 90 degree minus theta. So this is the law of complement, or the principle of complementary angles. So we are going to use that here to solve the problem. So this part, we are going to call it cos what? Theta. So this part is what? Sine what? 90 degree minus theta. Alright, now let's solve the problem. I haven't understood what is complementary. Let's now solve the problem. Alright, so to solve the problem, okay, first of all, let me write the problem. We have cos 3x minus 50 degree is equals to what? Sine what? 5x minus 28 degree. Remember, our x should be within the range of 0 to 90 degree. So x should not be more than 90, should not be below 0. So find the value of x. Now, how do we find the value of x? Okay, recall I said cos what? Theta is equals to what? Sine what? 90 degree minus what? Theta. Right, so having gotten that, okay, we can also say it means if I compare these two things, can I say, so theta is equals to what? 3x minus what? 50 degree. So this is cos to cos and theta is this. Comparing, okay? So by comparison, theta is equals to this. So if theta is equals to that, it means we can write this part by putting theta here. So this will give me sine what? 90 degree, okay, minus what we have here. So I have 3x, okay, minus 50 degree. So since theta is equals to this, it means I can input theta as this here. So all this is theta. So this part is equals to this part, and this part is equals to this part. Right, so from that, we can now say, okay, we have to set, okay, the sine to be what? Equal. So we have to set, just like cos theta is equals to cos this. Now we're going to say sine this is equals to sine this. That's what I mean by set the sines to be what? Equal. So let's quickly set the sines to be equal. That means I can say sine this, sine, okay, 5x minus 28 degree is equals to what? This part. So sine 90 degree minus what? Minus times this is what? 3x. Minus times minus 50 will be what? Plus what? 50 degree. So having set them to be equal, yeah, we can now solve for x. Okay, from this, so sine can cancel sine. Okay, so we are left with what? 5x minus 28 degree is equal to what? This is 90 degree minus 3x plus what? 50 degree. Right, so from this, we can now what? Collect like terms. Let's collect like terms. So here is 5x minus 28 degree. This is 90 degree. Can bring this closer. So we have plus 50 degree minus 3x. So this is 5x minus 28 degree, which is equal to 90 plus 50 will have 140 degree minus 3x. Okay. So from these, we can still further collect like this. Okay, I can add what? 28 degree here and add 28 degree here. So minus 28 plus 28 is going to give us what? 0. Okay. Now 140 plus 28, 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And we have 1 minus what? 3x. So this will give us, will now give us 5x plus 0 is what? 5x, which is equal to 168 degree minus 3x. So now how do I find x? We have a simple equation. I'm going to add 3x here to remove this. I'm also going to do it here. So 5x plus 3x is going to give us what? 8x is equals, this is 0, so 168 degree plus 1, 0. So we are left with 8x is equals to 168 degree. Now from this point, how do we find what? X? Divide both sides by what? 8. Let's quickly divide both sides by 8 and see what we're going to get. So I have 8x divided by 8, 168 degrees divided by 8. 8 here 1, 8 here 1. So we are left with what? 8 divided what? 168 degrees. So my x will be, let's quickly check, 8 divided 168 degrees. So 8 divided 16 is 2 times, which will give us 16. Subtract the 0, bring down, this is 8. 8 divided 8 is 1 time. So we have 21 degrees. So the value of x for this problem is what? X is 21 degrees. You can substitute to check. And use your calculator to check sine this and cos this after you substitute to get what value and what value is. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and always turn on your notification button and watch out for more videos. Alright, bye for now.